After cancelling its flagship launch event last week, Motorola has today unveiled its first ever flagship foldable phone in China. Dubbed the Moto RAZR 2022, this smartphone features Qualcomm's top-of-the-line chipset, a premium build, 50 megapixels cameras, and more of what we've come to expect from flagships. That said, let's look at Moto RAZR 2022 specifications before moving to the price and availability details. The Moto RAZR 2022 is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. According to the filing information of the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, it provides a maximum storage version of 18 and 512 gigs, which has reached the level of the top flagship in terms of performance and storage. This new phone supports 19 5G frequency bands and 27 4G frequency bands, and can achieve seamless switching of global roaming, which is quite friendly to business people. Compared with the Snapdragon 8, the heat generation and power consumption control of the Snapdragon 8 Plus are better than expected. Otherwise, all the folding phones in the second half of the year will suffer and become victims of the Fire Dragon chip. The Moto RAZR 2022 uses a 7 Series aviation aluminum metal frame and a velvet AG glass back shell for better texture and feel. The fuselage has built-in Dolby Atmos dual speakers and X-axis linear motor, with 3 microphones and dynamic space pico technology, bringing a more realistic auditory and tactile experience. The Moto RAZR 2022 is equipped with MyUI 4.0 from the factory, which supports smart travel, a new small window sidebar, and collaborative interconnection functions, which can make better use of the advantages of folding screens. The Moto RAZR 2022 has a 2.7-inch high-efficiency external screen, supports 9 independent panels of weather, travel, express delivery, commuting advice, eye health, contacts, camera and dial, and can customize the external screen to use app, bringing more interesting and efficient user experience. The inner screen is a 6.7-inch, supports up to 144Hz screen refresh rate, and also supports HDR10 Plus certification, DC dimming, and Dual SGS certification. Thanks to the 21:9 screen-to-body ratio, when the internal screen is unfolded, it is the screen of a mainstream flagship phone, which does not require separate adaptation and optimization, which further improves the user's daily experience. It also has a good performance in terms of cameras. The front-facing 32-megapixel camera supports the wide-angle multi-person selfie function. The rear 50-megapixel main camera has optical image stabilization, and 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens has 121 degrees views. Dual camera combination supports functions such as internal and external dual viewfinder and super night scene. Users who have higher demand for selfies can use the external screen to call the rear 50-megapixel dual camera to take selfies, bringing more details and excitement. The Moto RAZR 2022 adopts the 3rd generation star orbital mirror folding technology to make the crease shallower and better protect the screen, which is also one of the core advantages of the machine. The Moto RAZR 2022 supports multi-angle hovering functions. The standing mode can handle multitasking more conveniently. The atmosphere mode is helpful for checking notifications in time, and the tripod mode is helpful for gesture selfies and time-lapse photography. The phone has a built-in 3500 mAh battery, and supports 33-watt wired fast charging. This battery life combination is already excellent for folding screen phones. The Lenovo store for the new Moto RAZR 2022 showcases a foldable phone with the right specs to compete with Samsung. Previous versions of the RAZR foldable cut too many corners without being price competitive, but that might not be an issue this year. It'll run Motorola's MyUI 4.0 experience on Android, where you'll get Moto's handy feature set without the inconveniences that Samsung or OnePlus skins can come with. Motorola has made other optimizations that make this foldable useful when half open, giving you a dual screen experience like Samsung has done with its foldable. For example, the bottom half is a messaging app, and the top half is another app, both open in an L shape. This can also be used for the camera, with the viewfinder at the top and controls below. You'll notice some changes to the phone's overall appearance as well. Motorola ditched the annoying chin to give us more screen real estate. This new RAZR 2022 looks like a foldable you can use for a long time, unlike the 2020 model. To sum up, the Moto RAZR 2022 is a foldable phone with a balanced configuration. It has good performance, screen, camera, and quality hinge. The price starting from 59.99 yuan or $890 is really sincere, offering a larger cover display, flagship performance, and a 50-megapixels dual camera setup. Motorola massively undercuts the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, which launched at 8,499 yuan or $1,260 in China. What do you think of Motorola's new folding smartphone? I'd like to hear your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.